Greetings fam, if you've ever spent hours chasing wiring problems like shorts, opens, or intermittent faults in your vehicle and wished there was a faster way to find the exact trouble spot, let's talk about the PowerProbe 3000 circuit tracer for shorts and opens. I've researched this tool thoroughly across official specs, tech community feedback, and real user impressions so you know what you're really getting before you tap that link in bio for the best price. The PowerProbe 3000 isn't just a simple continuity checker, it's a dedicated circuit tracer designed to locate wiring faults like shorts and opens deep inside harnesses, lighting circuits, sensors, grounds, and connectors. Instead of just telling you, open, or closed, this tool injects a clear signal into the circuit and lets you follow that signal down the line until the fault appears, saving tons of time that would otherwise be spent probing blindly with a multimeter. One of the biggest strengths of this circuit tracer is how intuitive it is to use for both pros and committed DIYers. You connect it to the circuit you're testing, and it generates a traceable signal. By using the tracer's receiver and probe along the wiring harness or connector path, you can hear or see when the signal starts and stops, letting you pinpoint exactly where a break or short occurs instead of guessing based on symptoms. A practical advantage people keep mentioning in forums and hands-on reviews is how this tool handles automotive environments, which tend to be electrically noisy, with lots of grounding points and splices. The PowerProbe 3000 is built to help filter those conditions so you get a strong, reliable trace instead of chasing phantom signals. That's a real benefit when you're working in dark engine bays, behind dash panels, or inside fuse boxes. Another point worth calling out is what this tool doesn't do, so expectations stay realistic. This isn't a scan tool that reads diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, or resets modules. It's purely a wiring diagnostics instrument. It won't interface with your vehicle's computer or give you live data, but it will help you figure out where your wiring fault actually is, which is often the trickiest and most time-consuming part of electrical troubleshooting. Technicians and experienced DIYers often pair the PowerProbe 3000 with other tools like a digital multimeter, test light, and scan tool. The combo lets you find the fault with the tracer, confirm the symptom with the scan tool, and verify voltage, current with the multimeter, without guesswork. That's why many shops keep this type of circuit tracer in their everyday tool bag. Let's keep it honest. Getting the most out of a circuit tracer does require basic to intermediate understanding of automotive electrical systems. If you've never worked with wiring diagrams, grounds, or harness layouts before, there's a learning curve. But for anyone who has struggled with intermittent shorts, connectors that test fine at a connector but fail under load, or harnesses that have been spliced multiple times, this tool can save you hours of trial and error. Another real-world note is that accessory leads and probe tips matter. A circuit tracer is only as good as its contact points. So many users recommend having a few different backprobe pins, alligator clips, and extension leads on hand. Not because the PowerProbe 3000 lacks them, but because wiring jobs vary so much from one vehicle to the next. So, is the PowerProbe 3000 circuit tracer for shorts and opens worth buying? If you want a purpose-built tool that helps you locate wiring faults instead of just detecting them, especially for automotive harnesses, lighting circuits, sensors, and tricky intermittent problems, then yes, it's a highly practical and time-saving diagnostic tool for DIY mechanics, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Click the link below for the best